3 books this weekend only for 99 cents and in all currencies. Hi everybody! It's quite exciting because it's been a while since I've made a video that's an actual video because I've been really busy this winter. And today I'm here to talk about how proud I am for everyone who's done Veganuary. I remember how hard it was a few years ago when I first went on this diet, and it was difficult because it was kind of mind over matter. I had so many things that I was just used to doing that suddenly I wasn't doing anymore, but I stuck with it, and I know that you can too. And I'm proud of anybody even trying it for a week. I'm proud of anyone who's done it like half time, who's done half the meals and not the other ones. It doesn't matter. You've given it your go, and it's a great start. And I want to be able to support that. And because I want to give you something for the road, because you've done this amazing journey, this weekend and this weekend only, I'm going to give 3 of my books out for 0.99 cents. I'm going to link everything below. You're going to have all the information. For those of you on the newsletter, you might already know about this because I usually inform the newsletter first. If you want to join the newsletter, there's also a link below. It's for me to say how great it was to see how many people are involved in this. I was Googling vegan and I put it in an alert to see, you know, what's going on. So many companies are putting on vegan products. So many restaurants are offering a vegan menu. Even the big chains are giving vegan options. I think it's absolutely wonderful, and this is exactly where we should be. This is where we're going. So I even discovered there's this senator who's vegan and he's fighting for it in the Senate, which is kind of amazing. So for me, it's been a wonderful experience, and I want to give something back. Believe it or not, I also had some time to experiment in the kitchen, and I'll be uploading to the blog and informing the newsletter about it. Might not have time to make videos of everything, but I'll definitely keep the blog posted so that you guys get the new raw vegan recipes and have everything you need to keep on this amazing, beautiful lifestyle. Until next we meet, I wish you a happy February. Let's make it a Veg February.